Welcome to Jetworks Computers again. Today we're going to be looking at the Toshiba Satellite C850. Currently, the user has a specific problem with the machine. The minute they enter up power on the machine, they're receiving the password error. We've tried the defaults, being Toshiba and Satellite, with no prevail. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to reset this password, and then that will basically allow you to boot back up into the system, and you can use the system as normal. Sometimes this happens when your kids are playing around with the settings and they basically lock the computer on terms of the BIOS. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to power down the system. Okay, once your system's completely powered off, you would need to take it at the back, remove your cover where your RAM modules are. Okay, so what we've done is we basically removed the top cover. I've zoomed in a bit. As you can see, these two pins on either side. That's what you're going to use to basically short the BIOS password. What you need to do, and just pay attention to this, is you need to basically open up the machine. Alright, as you're powering on, you're just going to reset this. Okay, I've just put in some tape just hold this battery nice and snug, because I noticed it was a bit loose. So some insulation tape just to hold it in place, hold it down nice and firm. Okay, so if you're looking at the pins, you can use your tweezers and just, as you power on the machine, you just press on those two pins. That should reset the machine and you should be fine. Alright, if that doesn't work out, what I advise you to do is, I generally use a piece of solder like so, and just form it to actually make two pincers like your tweezer, and just get that in line just like that, and that should reset your laptop. Okay, you can then put back your cover. You can then put back your cover like so, pop it down, take your screwdriver and just secure. Just like that, your PC has been reset and you're now able to boot into Windows fine. So there we go. And your machine is ready for your use. I hope that you find the video useful, and please comment, like, subscribe, and let us know if you have any questions. Just a thing that we need to tell you as well, ensure that when you're shortening those points that you do power on the machine, you'll notice it comes on and switches off. Just be alert for that, and yeah, you should be perfectly fine and be able to get into the BIOS, change the password if required, and you should be able to work great after that. So cheers, thanks for watching again.